Hey, I'm Rick from Shoemaker Equipment Supply. People ask us all the time how difficult it is to take backhoes off tractors. Well, today I'll show you how. It's very simple. You start off by putting the backhoe on your two stabilizers and your rear bucket as a tripod for support. Once you do that, the weight comes off with these two pins. All you would do is remove these two pins. Start the tractor, lift the tractor off the cradle. Once it's off the cradle, I can drive it forward. I'll show you how to do that. Brake is set so I can get off the seat when it's still running. Lift up my stabilizers. Backhoe is free. Right cut it forward. Now I can disconnect the hoses. Hook these two together. I'm done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.